Naturally Marked here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam. Bam. I want to address, so you guys, today's video is going to be my afterthoughts on rebraiding just the front of my hair. So if you're interested in this video, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so I told you in my last video that I was going to show you how much hair I lost. I just rebraided this part of my hair. So the amount of hair that I lost just in that section, you guys, like, I'm not exaggerating. This is really a lot of hair. It's really a lot of hair, and especially just for the front of my head. Like, I didn't even rebraid the back of my head, and this is a grip of hair. And honestly, I don't even know if I should go any longer. Today is September 9th, and I really don't even know if I should go any longer with this whole 8-month challenge for my braids, because I don't understand why my hair is still coming out this much. And I don't know. No, I know I'm not tripping. Like, I literally, this is a lot of hair. So I'm going to try to do like a couple of tea rinses, tea leave-in sprays, some tea oils or something. Right now, what I wanted to show you guys, because I am finished with the front of my head, I want to really lay down my flyaways really quick. So I'm going to just simply spray my hair with water just to kind of revert some of the ends like really fast. But honestly, you guys, I don't know if I should go any longer with doing this challenge, or else what I'm going to do, actually, just kind of brainstorming and talking to you guys. Like, if y'all watch these videos, y'all are getting like the real tea, like just the realness of, you know, hair and the little different things that it's going through. So what I'm really thinking is I am going to not braid the whole head again, like the crown. I'm probably just going to redo the front of my hair again. So I'm going to try to just redo the front of my hair again, and I'm going to try a couple of tea oils, and I'll show you guys a couple of DIYs of some tea oils that I'm going to do. Probably 2 different tea oils, but it's going to be really simple. Like, everything that I do on my channel is really simple and easy for people to follow. Like, I don't like to be really difficult with the stuff that I do to my hair, because it's not that hard to keep hair on your head. I've just really been having a problem with shedding since I've had my son. And like I keep saying in a whole bunch of videos, it's like I'm not good with taking my prenatal pills. And then also, I know, like, going through postpartum depression and stuff like that, and anxiety is probably not good for my hair. And I've been really trying to get that under wraps and not really be stressed. And then also, I think it has to do with like the pandemic and stuff like that. And sorry if my background is a little loud, but you guys know I'm still in Atlanta. I'm still giving you guys old school YouTube. But I'm putting some Cantu on the ends of my hair right now, and then I'm gonna just tie down my hair. You guys, this is the argan oil Cantu, and honestly, I don't necessarily care for it too much. And especially, I don't know, my son's hair don't like it at all. It makes his hair very dry. And y'all know how I used to ride with the original formula of Cantu. Now I think my son is outside calling my name. Son? Yes? Okay, open. Okay. Hi. Hi. Hi, love bug. Yeah, my son's hair do not like the Cantu at all. And honestly, I'm only using it because I'm here, but when I get back home, I am going to get my leave-in conditioner and put in my hair, because I have formulated like a really bomb leave-in conditioner. And once you have better, you really don't want to go back to like I mean, yeah, I just can't even. I really just can't, like, because it's not doing anything for my hair. Like, my hair is so dry. Be careful, love bug. But I am just going to moisturize my hair. I just wanted to come in here and let you guys know I am going to go the full 3 months, because on the 24th of October this month, it's going to be 3 months, and then I'm going to try another month of my hair being in these braids. And I'm going to redo just the front of, son. Yeah, don't touch. I'm going to redo just the front part of my hair, but I'm going to use these tea oils just to see if my hair is still going to shed as much, like this much. So I'm going to rebraid my hair next month.
Mama.
Yes, love bug?
Yes.
Yes. What are you saying? Huh? No. Let mama finish. So I'm going to rebraid my hair in another month, and then I'm going to see if I get this much shed hair again. And honestly, I'm going to keep this shed hair and travel with it all the way back to Seattle so I can compare the hair again. Blue. Good job, little bug. Oh, good job. Okay, now get it down. Thank you. I'm going to see if I lose this much hair after doing the tea rinses. Oh my God. You want to know what I literally just thought about? You don't even know. Like, you don't even know what I literally just thought about. I literally had COVID. And my mother-in-law literally told me that her hair was coming out after she had COVID. Wow. I'm going to have to do a tea rinse because my hair is coming out like this because I had COVID. Like, I know that for sure. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm just oiling my scalp. Oh my gosh. I'm thinking, like, my son is 18 months old. Like, should I really still be having, like, these problems with my hair shedding? And it's not that. I literally put these braids in my head, and then I got COVID, and then for 6 weeks, I didn't do anything to my hair. Wow, that's exactly what it is. It's not my braids. And I'm sitting up here thinking, like, did I put too much tension on my hair? Like, what am I doing wrong? Wow, you guys, that is what's going on with my hair. That's why my hair is shedding this much. Wow. Yeah, cute. Get him out the screen. Okay, well, now that I know that, I'm going to share a couple of hot oil treatments and stuff with you guys using tea rinses, and I am going to try to get this shedding under control now that it just dawned on me what could possibly be happening and really what's going on. So I don't want this video to be too long. I just wanted to show you guys me oiling my scalp, and just brainstorming with you guys, just another chit chat with my thoughts of me rebraiding. The rebraiding didn't take that long. It only took 2 days, and it only took 2 days. So I'm not upset with the rebraiding. Like, I love the size of my braids because they're really getting rebraided really fast, but it's just the amount of hair that I'm losing that is really startling me, and like, what is going on type of deal. But now that I've just realized and thought about what my mother-in-law said, is like, okay, it's like, okay, I'm going to need to absolutely do a couple of tea rinses. So you guys are going to get a couple of videos on what I'm fixing to try to do and see if these tea rinses is really going to help my hair with them being in these braids. So when I take down only the front of my hair, because I'm not taking down the back of my hair again. So once I retake down the front of my hair, if I lose this amount of hair, I'm going to rebraid it. And then after that next rebraid and it starts growing back out, I'm going to just take all of my hair down if I lose this amount of hair. So now my journey is going to be trying to stop my hair from shedding while it's in these braids, and just keeping an eye on my, stop son, keeping an eye on my hair when I take it down and rebraid it, pretty much. So yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this check-in really quick. If you did, please leave comments down below. Please let me know if you've had COVID and if this problem is happening to you. What did you do? Let me know. I want to hear your thoughts down in the comment section. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. You say bye? Come here. Say bye. He's waving, but you guys can't see him.